I'm Wesley,
I'm Isabella.
and this next segment is going to be trending.
Hey, my name's Kalia and I'm here with Spring Mills High School, and in this segment we're going to be asking our interviewees whether their outfits are hot or not. So let's get right into it. So our first celebrity fit is going to be from Kim Kardashian.
Alright, so for one, her toes in these heels is a no-go. Her heels is too far forward, you can already tell. Then she got pockets on the dress. You can't even see her hands because it blends in with the roses. What else she got? This green isn't it either. I think she about to fall too. I feel like she should have did something different. Her whatever she got going on was not hot.
So next we have Lady Gaga in a meat dress.
She got some combat boots on and a choker. This girl looked like she been through prison and everything. That is not hot.
So next we have Adam Sandler on a casual walk.
I see a crab shirt, some Jordans, and some orange shorts, and an iPhone something. It's not hot.
Next we have a fit worn by Michael B. Jordan.
Now I'm looking at this picture of Michael B. Jordan. It's really nice. He looks really nice. He has some type of swag to him. Okay, I find this picture really hot, actually. He's not dressed bad. He doesn't look bad. They didn't catch any, bad facial expression of him or nothing. So, yeah, I think this picture is hot.
So next we have Sam Puckett from iCarly.
All right, so I see this shirt right now, and it says Bacon Farm. I don't know if you guys can see it over here, but it's a regular t-shirt, Bacon Farm. I don't know how I feel about that, but yeah, so not hot, only for bed.
Finally, we have a picture of Wendy Williams.
It just looks like a really long tutu, made with tissue paper. And it's very bright pink, and it is not hot. It's not a look.
So overall, kids at the school thought that the celebrities were not hot, even though I thought they were pretty good. So yeah, thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next segment.
Hey, my name is Braylon Jones, and this is Cooking with Coaches. I have Coach Bully here. We have 3 different sauces here. We're gonna be asking him a couple questions after each wing, just to get a feel for the coach, just to know how he's feeling, what's going through his mind. All right, so let's get started. All right, so basically we have 3 sauces here. You can pick whichever one you want to start with, and then we can begin.
All right. Parmesan and garlic.
All right, so Coach Bully, so how do you feel that your team's gonna do this season?
Definitely, we have a good chance to push to one state this year. We finished second last year, and I think we have even better team than we did last year. We're getting stronger. Our young kids are just doing amazing this year, and the sky's the limit for them. At the state duels, we didn't feel we did as well as we could have. We were missing one person, and we had to move the lineups around. They moved guys up, and we had to position in that way, and it wasn't exactly the best matchup, but some of our guys really stepped up and did what they needed to do. The matchup wasn't exactly there, and second year we lost to that same team, and that's a hard one, but we're I just hope we can take them at the state. When it's all individual, I think we can get them there.
Hello, I'm here with Coach Law. All right, so which sauce do you want to try first?
Let's see here. Sweet with gentle. Sweet pepper. Let's try the sweet with gentle heat.
What would you say brought you to Spring Mills?
The whole setup. I mean, being from Morgantown, honestly, had a chance to come over and check out the facilities, football stadium, the press box, even from the weight room. It's unlike anything I've seen in a high school setting before. So that part alone was an opportunity just to be here was amazing. And then also getting to meet the players and everything like that, it was a solid deal.
That's it for Cooking with Coach. I'm finna eat this last wing here.
How is it?
Oh no.
All right, those wings look good. Our next segment is going to be What Do You Mean?
Hello, my name is Sarah. Welcome to What Do You Meme, where we will be showing teachers a series of memes. Our first teacher is Miss Woofter, a science teacher here at Spring Mills. How long do you think this meme will last or did last?
I feel like this meme could be around for a while, especially going back and forth between teachers, because we're always cracking jokes like this, and it's kind of nice to have something that we can just share, and it totally talks about the situation.
Next, we are going to interview Mrs. Hood. She's an algebra teacher here at Spring Mills. And our first question is, what is your initial reaction on this meme?
I think it's a good meme. I think it's definitely accurate for what my kids would say, as long as they are better than the average, as long as it is better than what the other kids did. It doesn't really matter that it's an F. Definitely could see them thinking this is funny and this being very accurate.
Our next question is, how long do you think this meme lasted or will last?
I think the quote on the meme definitely will last forever. The Toy Story reference might be something that goes out of style, but I'm sure that's going to last a while too.
Next, we are going to interview Mr. Kamlowski, our principal here at Spring Mills. And this is our first meme, and our first question is, what is your initial reaction?
What is this? I don't understand what you kids are even doing. I'm so out of touch. My initial reaction is that I'm out of touch. Because this doesn't even make sense to me. I mean, is that what I'm going for?
Our next question is, do you think the dress code is too strict or fine how it is now?
I think the dress code is fine the way it is, but I also think it's worth probably looking at some things as far as changes goes, because what you kids wear now, I mean, that dress code's been around for 100 years. So what you kids wear now is not necessarily what fits with the dress code. Because I know, like, back when I was a kid, I wouldn't be caught dead in pajama pants and sweatpants in school, but that's kind of normalized now. And that was just like a social norm back then, like you just didn't wear those things. So I do think it's worth looking at, but I also think that there's a lot of good things about it.
Next, we are going to interview Miss Madden, an English teacher here at Spring Mills. Our first question is, what is your initial thought on this meme?
Well, of course the door is painted blue because whatever's behind there is going to be sad. That's what blue means. So of course they're going to have that reaction.
Our next question is, do you think English teachers make meanings out of nothing?
Sometimes, yes. I think English teachers do make meanings out of nothing because we are so conditioned to read a deeper meaning into every single thing that we can't just take anything literally. We always have to be looking for that deeper meaning. And sometimes there's just no deeper meaning.
Alright, the next segment is our challenge accepted, where they're doing basketball and wrestling with the Cardinal.
Hi, welcome to Challenge Accepted. I'm Sarah.
I'm Cami.
Today we're going to be doing 3 different challenges.
Our first challenge is knockout.
Hi, I'm Sam, and our next challenge is the cookie challenge, where each contestant will put the cookie on their forehead and try to work it down into their mouth without using their hands.
Okay.
All right, so for our final challenge, we have the Cardinal Wrestling Page State Champion. So let's see how this goes. All right, for our final challenge, we have the man himself, Patrick Jackson, versus the Cardinal in a wrestling match.
You should keep that. I think we have some future WWE superstars on our hands. But on the other hand, that's it for today, folks. But we'll catch you next time.